name is Linda Johnson. I grew up in upstate New York, where I first started to cook at the age of 10. I then moved to Texas, where I enjoyed comfort foods such as barbecue and brisket. When I lived in Northern California, I found the bright, fresh flavors of food. In Georgia is where Southern food is its finest, is what I found. Then I moved to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, on Hatteras Island. I learned seafood dishes served in coastal communities. Now I live in Albemarle, North Carolina, and I invite you to my kitchen. Welcome to From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. I'm Linda Johnson, and I'll be your host today. So today we are going to make bang bang shrimp. And I've gotten that a few times at restaurants. It's very good. I've never made it, but it's very simple. It only takes maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 ingredients. And I believe you can make this for under $10. It's probably a serving of 4. It calls for a pound of medium shrimp, deveined, got the tail off, all cleaned. And I actually only got 12 ounces. I thought I was getting a pound, but I only got 12 ounces. So I actually have rice cooking, although it isn't always served with rice. But I thought it would be good because this really is an appetizer, but you can eat it. Just that we're going to use it as a meal. I think that's plenty. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to heat up some olive oil in the pan, because that's what we're going to put our shrimp in. I'm just going to do a little bit. I don't really know how much. Okay, so while that's put it on kind of low, I don't want to, start smoking up the place. Okay, so we're going to use 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. This is the sauce that we're going to make. And I'm using light mayonnaise. Like that's really going to make a difference probably, but we're going to use 1/4 cup of Thai style sweet chili sauce. I got that at Walmart. So that's 1/4 cup of that. The longest part that this will probably be the shrimp cooking. And that doesn't take very long. Then to give it just a little bit of a kick, we're going to put some sriracha sauce in it. So I'm just going to put a couple dashes because I don't want it too hot. Okay, that's probably about 4 dashes. We'll see. And you're going to whisk this together. Okay, that's our sauce. So it's kind of an orange sauce, light orange. Okay, that's the sauce, and you let that sit while you do your shrimp. So we've got that heating up. I've got my medium shrimp in the bowl, all cleaned, deveined, no tail on. We're going to dip it in approximately 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Okay. And it won't be in there very long. I'll go ahead and get a plate here. So when I do take it out, it will be ready to go. So we'll just do a couple in here at a time. Just kind of coat it. Okay. Guess I'll just get my hands all dirty. Some recipes I was looking at call for first you dip it in buttermilk, then dip it in the cornstarch. This is supposed to be a knockoff from the Bone Fish Grill. I don't know if any of you have ever been there. I think I've been to one once. And like, I don't know if you watched the shrimp and grits episode, but shrimp does not only take only about 2 minutes on each side to cook, so it doesn't take very long. I don't know what that was. Just a few more pieces will fit in there. Okay, let me wash my hands. Turned up just a little bit. Okay, so while that's cooking, I wanted to show you some things that I have cooked this week at home. I do usually cook every single night. Sometimes it's fancy, sometimes it's not. It's not real fancy, but so go ahead and enjoy. So for Saturday's meal, I decided to use my Blackstone and cooked green peppers, onions, cut up some mushrooms, and Italian sausage. So here they are, cooking on the grill. Blackstone. Then we got our sausage. And I'll put the mushrooms on in a few minutes because they don't take quite as long. And there we go. Looks good. Smells good. Wish you could smell it. Well, it's almost done. Finally put the mushrooms on. Looks pretty good. Just turned them over. Sunday was cool, so I decided to make chicken soup, vegetable soup. And I think it turned out pretty good. It was very tasty. So let them cook for a while, get the potatoes done in there. Boiled some egg noodles to serve with it. And it's ready to eat. Then one night I decided to do salmon in the oven with some steamed cauliflower and beets. Okay, so the shrimp I only have about 5 pieces left in here to take out and putting them on a paper towel to drain them. I hope you enjoyed the little video of what I cooked during the week or anytime, doesn't matter. The shrimp did not take very long at all. And it's nice and light, a light crispy to it. It's not something real heavy. It hasn't been deep fried or anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour this in the bowl. And whoops. Thought I lost it, but I didn't. Okay. It got away from me. We're going to pour this sauce on top of it. Just give it another couple whisks. I might put some more in a minute, but I just want to make sure I don't have too much. Looks pretty good. I think that's plenty. That's what it looks like with the sauce in there. Looks real good. So I'm going to go ahead and add some lettuce on top. That's usually how they serve it in a restaurant. We'll put a little bit of rice in there. Thought I would do a little bit of rice on top. Then we'll put some of our shrimp on there. So I'm making this a meal, not an appetizer, basically. If you wanted to drizzle a little bit of sauce on there, I suppose you could. Just for the rice sake. And sprinkle a few green onions on top. So there you have it. Bang bang shrimp. Pretty darn good. Well, it looks good anyway. We're going to try it right now. So we'll try a piece. Get a little sauce on there. There we go. It's good. It's sweet. It's not hot, even though I put that sriracha sauce and the other sauce in there. It's not hot. Hot. You could put a lot more in there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show. Wasn't very long. It only took the rice took a little long. You don't have to serve it with rice. But it's, like I said, it's probably $10 for, I think 4 people could probably, I put quite a bit on my plate. I probably wouldn't normally eat that much. But 4 people for less than $10. Even if it was $12, it's still pretty cheap. I just buy the frozen shrimp already. But you don't have to live at the beach to have this. They have it in many restaurants around the country. I think I first saw it in California at the Bonefish Grill. That's probably where I first tried it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you had a chance to watch last week's show, which was leftover chicken. So that was pretty tasty too. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day and the weekend coming up. It's June. It's finally warming up. So have fun, and we'll see you next time on From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. And remember, let's make cooking fun, because it is.